Hello everyone, this is Jet here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this traveler's notebook that I got from City Lux in Singapore. I got it via Shopee and I have a 10% discount. So originally this cost around $59.90, so 10% discount will be like $54-ish. And just want to thank God that even during this time of COVID-19 situation, this package cannot arrive within 6 days. So yeah, just so excited to have this. And before I have this, I've actually have a custom made traveler's notebook here. This is my custom made traveler's notebook that I got it from Queensway, a leathersmith called Frank's. I got this for, I think is $39. Yeah, so this is all tan leather. It's a pull-up leather. I'm not too sure if the camera can pick it up, but you can see it's all tan. Beautiful, beautiful pull-up leather here, and loving it. But I'm filling this up pretty quickly. For myself, I pretty much put just 3 inserts in one traveler's notebook. So yeah, I just need another one, and I've been going through Carousel looking for used traveler's notebook, but well, don't have much luck on that, so I decided to go ahead and get this, and just so excited to unbox this for you guys today. And just for the record, I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, and I don't have any professional setup at home. I'm just basically using my desk. For tripod, I'm using this plastic chair. Yeah, just a plastic chair with a hole cut out on the base. And for the video equipment, the camera itself, I'm using my own mobile phone, the OnePlus 3T, my trusty OnePlus 3T that is serving me for 3 years plus. So thank God for that. And yeah, let's get straight to it. So okay, so this is a traveler's notebook. This is a normal size traveler's notebook, and it comes, for myself, I bought the one in Camel. So let's go and unbox this right now. So the packaging, just like that. And okay, this is it. And then we have the plastic cover. Okay, I'm trying to do this without trying to knock over the plastic chair. And I'm just doing this in the comfort of my home. Yep, so you may hear some noises in the background. So yeah, just bear with it. So this is just some information about traveler's notebook, and we have on a piece of paper. Okay, it's pretty much what you get in the package itself. You get the cotton bag, you get the traveler's notebook itself, you have a free insert, a notebook insert, a blank insert, and you have so-called a spare rubber band elastic. Yep. Okay, so let's remove this, the packaging. Let's remove this as well, and there you go, the cotton bag in all its glory. And of course, we're talking about the spare elastic band and another paper. Yeah, care for your leather items. Okay, let's remove this. There you go, the cotton bag and the traveler's notebook. Let's unbox this. Oops. It's a bit difficult to do it with the kind of setup that I have. And you can see, gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's do a leather sniffing test. It smells great. So the leather is a veg tan leather, a vegetable tan leather. And you can see the feel is so much different from my all tan traveler's notebook. This is more like, you have a feel of a velvety kind of texture. I can't explain it really, but the leather is pretty much, I think it's thicker. Yeah, let's compare it, side by side comparison. Yeah, I think the leather is a bit thicker than the all tan one. Yeah, it's thicker and it's more stiffer. This is more flimsy, this is stiffer, but it's still very soft, very nice feel to it. Yeah, and the leather smell is different from this one. But I have it custom made, pretty much the same size as the standard traveler's notebook. Yeah, except I think for the width for this one, I have it slightly longer than the standard traveler's notebook, I think about 1 cm longer in terms of the width, as in this way. Yeah, in total. So okay, let's take out the elastic band here and let's see the inside. So inside, okay, the leather here on the inside, very smooth, very nice to the touch, and you can see it comes with this free notebook insert. We call this a notebook insert for those who are not familiar with the traveler's notebook system. Basically what we have is just one piece of leather like this, and then you have elastic strings that run across inside, and this is where you put all your notebook inserts or your custom made inserts, and you can customize this whichever way you want. It's pretty flexible, very customizable. Yeah, giving a lot of room for your own creativity how you want to have this. And so this is the free insert, and you can see that I do believe that the paper is Tomoe River, very smooth, very fountain pen friendly, 64 pages. And let's remove this. And then, okay, yep. And you can see it's basically just one piece of leather with the elastic string in the center, and we have this so-called bookmark, stringy bookmark here, and everything's been fastened in these tin claps. And for the closure itself, you have you have elastic band as well to close it this way. Yep. So for myself personally, I actually prefer that the closure elastic to actually come from the spine, like what I have with my previous traveler's notebook from the spine. Is because when you write, there's a little bit of a bump here, uneven surfaces, so I actually prefer it if it comes from the spine, but well, it's just a small thing. Yeah, so good to have this, and very excited to use this as well together with my old traveler's notebook. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very impromptu video on this, and for the next video I'll do a little bit of recording on my old traveler's notebook, just a walkthrough of how I set it up as well and what I put inside. So this is just a quick unboxing of this beautiful Camel traveler's notebook. I just love the leather because this is a veg tan leather, which is more expensive than all tan leather. And this one, I believe that through time, through use, you'll pick up the oils in your hands and the scratches, the marks of daily use, and you will develop a beautiful patina. And you watch some of the videos online, you can see that for some of them, we have it for a few years. You can see that the traveler's notebook will develop this beautiful patina over time use. And so thank you. Alright, see you next time. Bye.